question and answer product. The main focus of this product is student can be able to know the important university questions with prescribed answers. The questions are separated as per the university question papers. Along with prescribed answers, there is respective illustrated diagrams and 2D or 3D demonstration are given with voice-over. Construction of transformer. This animation shows the construction of distribution transformer. The possible questions for university examination is predicted by star rating. Based on the marks given by the university, the required answer is provided. There is a more explanation options for some questions for reference purpose. The important formula for each units are collectively given for easy recalling purpose before the examination.